Introduction. The vulture is a bird of prey that belongs to the family Accipitridae. These birds are known for their scavenging habits, feeding on the carcasses of dead animals. Vultures are found all over the world, except for Australia and Antarctica. There are 23 species of vultures, and they vary in size, color, and behavior. In this essay, we will discuss the vulture in depth, including its physical characteristics, habitat, diet, behavior, reproduction, and conservation status. Physical characteristics. Vultures are large birds with broad wings and long tails. They have bald heads and necks, which are adapted for scavenging. The lack of feathers on the head and neck allows vultures to feed on carrion without getting their feathers dirty. The bald head also helps regulate body temperature, as vultures can use their head to dissipate heat. Vultures have strong, hooked beaks that are used to tear apart the tough hides of dead animals. They also have sharp talons that are used to grip and hold onto their prey. The size of vultures varies depending on the species. The largest vulture is the Andean condor, which can have a wingspan of up to 10 feet and weigh up to 33 pounds. The smallest vulture is the Egyptian vulture, which weighs only 2.5 pounds and has a wingspan of up to 5.5 feet. Vultures are typically brown or black, with some species having white or gray markings. Habitat. Vultures are found in a variety of habitats, including deserts, grasslands, and forests. Some species of vultures, such as the Andean condor, live in mountainous regions. Vultures are also found in urban areas, where they scavenge on garbage and other waste. Diet. Vultures are scavengers, feeding on the carcasses of dead animals. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to consume and digest carrion that is infected with bacteria and other pathogens. Vultures have strong stomach acids that kill off most bacteria and viruses. They also have a unique immune system that can fight off diseases that would be fatal to other animals. Behavior. Vultures are social birds that live in groups, called flocks or committees. These groups can consist of hundreds of birds. Vultures are often seen soaring in circles in the sky, looking for carrion. They have excellent eyesight and can spot a carcass from miles away. Once they find a carcass, they will descend on it, tearing it apart with their beaks and talons. Vultures are not aggressive towards each other and will often share food. Reproduction. Vultures mate for life and are monogamous. They typically lay 1 or 2 eggs per year, which hatch after about 40 to 60 days. The parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. The chicks are born with feathers and are able to fly after about 3 months. Vultures can live for up to 30 years in the wild. Conservation status. Many species of vultures are currently threatened with extinction due to a variety of factors. One of the biggest threats to vultures is habitat loss. As humans expand into natural areas, vultures lose their habitats and food sources. Vultures are also threatened by poisoning, as they often feed on carrion that has been contaminated with pesticides and other toxins. In addition, vultures are hunted for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. In conclusion, vultures are fascinating and complex birds that play an important role in the ecosystem. While they are often viewed as ugly and unpleasant, they are actually highly adapted animals that exhibit a range of remarkable behaviors and abilities. Unfortunately, vultures are threatened by a range of human activities, and it is important efforts are underway to protect vultures and prevent their extinction. Conservation organizations are working to create protected areas for vultures and to. If you learn new things in this video, then just like the video. Hey guys, next video very interesting, see more.